Isolate HDMI devices. Unplug all HDMI cables, soundbars, game consoles, streaming sticks. If the TV stops restarting when clean, one of your devices or its cable is triggering the loop. Power cycle, the soft reset. Turn off and unplug the TV from the wall. Crucial, press and hold the physical power button on the TV, not the remote, for 30 seconds to drain residual power. Plug it back in directly to a wall outlet, avoiding power strips or surge protectors for now. Check for updates. If the TV stays on long enough, go to Settings greater than Admin and Privacy greater than Check for updates. Corrupted firmware is a frequent culprit. Disable HDMI-CEC. This feature allows devices to control each other's power. Go to Menu greater than System greater than CEC and set it to off. Toggle power mode. Switching from Eco mode to Quick Start, or vice versa, can sometimes stabilize the software. Advanced and hardware solutions. Inspect remote control. Remove the batteries from your TV and streaming device remotes, like Fire Stick. A stuck power button or low battery sending random signals can cause power cycling. Factory reset. As a last resort, wipe all settings. Navigate to Menu greater than Admin and Privacy greater than Reset to Factory settings. Default pin is usually 0000. Ensure the TV's vents are free of dust and it isn't placed near a heater, as overheating triggers automatic shutdowns. If you hear clicking sounds or the TV restarts at exactly the same point, for example, just after the logo appears, the internal power supply board or main board may be failing.